Good afternoon, it's Quant Trade Edge, and this is a wrap up looking at some Forex trades on the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ opened weak and continued to sell off through the early morning, about 9:50 in the morning. And if you notice, there was a divergence between this low made here and this low made here. In fact, it was a three-legged divergence when you look at the points there, here, and here, between that, and that. So again, that's our, that's one of our patterns we like to take. And at the bottom of that pattern was a hoagie, 3-bar hoagie. And that bar, it's about 24-ish points wide. And taking the reversal at that spot, you got 5R all the way up to here where it went to test previous day low. But what's interesting about how it tested previous day low is this was a very clean one leg, two leg, that little dip counts. So we have little hash marks there, and then one more leg to the top. That was an extremely clean ABC to the upside. So what you could have done is then realize that we would have some retracement from there and use this as your entry bar, and you would have, you got a very clean A, B, C down, and you actually achieved 4x on that. And the 4x on that came in at about 8, well, let me try to get here, 69, 13, 5204, 804. So right here. So it's really interesting that the market kind of goes right to that 4x level. Now what's interesting is since that was a very clean two legs down, you could have then taken the 4x off of this bar. And on this bar, this was 13, so call it 51, 59.75. We got one up. Now here's where it's not perfectly clean. You got two legs down, so one up, two down, and then the third leg up. And the third leg is still going up, but it hit 4x at this 59.75 level. Right there, call it right about there. So you could have made, 4x on the way up from that divergence, 4x off of that two-legged, that very clean ABC, 4x off of this very clean ABC. So, you don't need a whole lot of markets. You don't need a whole lot of patterns. You can really just focus in on one market that's moving and find multiple ways to make, 4 times your money on a given day. So going back to this divergence, 1, 2, 3 points, 1, 2, 3 points, and that led to the first trade. And then, the perfectness of this ABC, just the beauty of this ABC leads to the second trend. And then the same token, the ABC down, led to the third opportunity up there. So anyway, good things coming. I'm partnering up with Madge B. You might know him from our following here. And we're looking at ways to start a Discord and, have a membership, get people in and really, work together to find these patterns. It's not easy working alone. You guys know as traders, it's nice to have some people to bounce your ideas off of and to help spot patterns. I know I get blinded when I'm looking for hoagies. I tend to miss ABCs. When I'm focused on ABCs, I miss hoagies. I miss divergences. So it'd be really nice to be able to have various people focused on different patterns and create a community around that and provide some education along the way. So anyway, if you would like that, if you think that would be a useful service, please do comment below, and we'll queue off with a number of comments to see how urgently we should get that going. But anyway, hope you had a good trading day today.